Welcome to NxGclouds. Today, we are discussing the Grep command with real-time examples. What is Grep? Grep stands for Global Regular Expression Print. It is a powerful command line tool used for searching text patterns within files. Why is Grep important? It quickly searches large files and directories for specific patterns. It supports powerful pattern matching using regular expressions. It is useful for debugging, log analysis, and data extraction. Example 1. Search for error in a file. This command searches for occurrences of the word error in demo files file1.txt. It helps in troubleshooting logs by finding error messages quickly. Command grep error demo files file1.txt. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 2. Case-insensitive search for warning. The I flag makes the search case-insensitive, so it finds both warning and warning, useful when logs have inconsistent capitalization. Command grep I warning demo files file2.log. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 3. Show line numbers with matches. The N flag displays line numbers alongside matched lines, making it easier to locate important information in large files. Command grep and info demo.files.file2.log. Execute the command and observe the output. Example 4. Recursively search for failed in all files. The R flag searches all files inside demo files and its subdirectories, making it useful for scanning large codebases or log directories. Command grep R failed demo files. Execute the command and observe the output.